Today, we're going to talk about a fantastic fitness and exercise tip to help you stay healthy. Did you know that your body needs a fitness challenge every 90 days? That's right. By challenging yourself with a new fitness routine every 3 months, you'll be able to maintain a healthy lifestyle and keep your body in top shape. Part 1. Physical benefits of exercise. 1. Cardiovascular health. Improved heart health, reduced risk of heart disease, running, swimming. 2. Weight management. Calorie burning and metabolism boost, balanced weight and BMI maintenance. Height, cycling. 3. Muscle and bone strength. Building and maintaining muscle mass, strengthening bones and preventing osteoporosis. Weightlifting, resistance training. Part 2. Mental and emotional benefits. 1. Stress relief, release of endorphins and reduction in cortisol. Yoga, Tai Chi. 2. Improved mood, connection between exercise and serotonin, reduction in anxiety and depression. Dancing, aerobics. 3. Enhanced cognitive function, improved memory and brain function, reduced risk of cognitive decline. Brisk walking, tennis. Part 3. Social benefits. 1. Community and connection, joining fitness groups or clubs, making new friends and social interaction. Team sports, group classes. 2. Increased motivation, accountability partners and fitness buddies, group challenges and competitions. Running groups, gym buddies. 3. Family bonding, exercising together as a family, encouraging healthy habits in children. Examples: family hikes, cycling trips. Part 4. Long-term health benefits. 1. Chronic disease prevention, reduced risk of diabetes, hypertension, and certain cancers. Jogging, swimming. 2. Longevity, increased life expectancy and quality of life. Regular walking, low-impact exercises. 3. Healthy aging, maintaining mobility and independence in older age. Pilates, strength training. Part 5. Practical tips for getting started. 1. Setting realistic goals. SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Starting small and gradually increasing. 2. Finding an activity you enjoy, exploring different types of exercises, trying new classes or sports. 3. Staying consistent, creating a routine and sticking to it, scheduling workouts, setting reminders. Conclusion, recap of key points, summary of all the benefits discussed, encouragement to start exercising today. So, let's get started with a fun fitness challenge. For our beginner-friendly workout, we've got a simple routine that you can do at home. Just grab a pair of dumbbells, and let's get moving. Remember, exercise is essential for maintaining a healthy body, and it's never too late to start. So, what are you waiting for? Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.